In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time off and vacation requests in ClickUp. We're going to use a ready-made template that gives you a complete workflow for handling requests, approvals, and rejected time off all in one place. By the end, you'll have a dedicated area where your team can submit requests and you can track every stage of the process. Start by opening ClickUp and going to your list view in the space where you want to manage time off. This might be inside your HR or operations space, or any space where you keep internal processes. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and space before you continue, so everything lives in the right place for your team. Next, in that space, look for the plus icon where you'd normally add a new folder or list. Click that plus icon in the exact spot where you want this time off system to live. This tells ClickUp where to create your new structure. From the options that appear, select Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library, which includes pre-built setups for common workflows. In the template search bar, type Time Off. Give it a second to search and you'll see relevant templates appear. Look for the one called Time Off Request. When you see it, click on Time Off Request to open its details and preview how it's structured. Now, click on Use Template. ClickUp will ask you to confirm how and where to apply it. Here, you'll be prompted to name the new list that will be created from this template. Type in a clear name, such as Time Off Requests or something similar that your team will immediately recognize. Once you've named the list, click Use Template again to finalize. ClickUp will start applying the template to your space. This can take up to about 10 seconds, so just wait while it loads. When it's done, you'll be taken straight to a Start Here page. This page explains how the template is organized and how to use it effectively, so it's worth reading through at least once. From there, click on the view called Requests to see all incoming employee time off requests. This is where new submissions will appear. You can then click on Approval Process to see and manage the steps involved in approving or declining each request. There's also a Rejected view, where you can see all requests that have been declined, which is useful for tracking history and communication. Next, click on Time Off Request Form. This is the form your team will use to submit their requests. Here, you can review and edit the fields, customize wording, and make sure you're collecting all the information you need, such as dates, type of leave, and any notes. Finally, click on Board to see a board-style view of everything. This gives you a visual pipeline of requests by status, making it easy to drag tasks between stages and quickly understand who's off and when.